Welcome back to the katylinks.com Odoo training playlist. In the previous video, we focused on editing carousel blocks and hero sections. In this video, we're going one level deeper. Here, we'll look at how most Odoo website sections are actually built, using columns, cards, and inner content elements. You'll see how to insert column snippets, how cards work inside those columns, and how inner content like images and text are styled and controlled. Let's get started. We'll start by adding a new section to the page. To do this, click Blocks on the right-hand side, then click Insert Snippet. This opens the block selection window. From here, go to the Columns category. Column snippets are the foundation of most Odoo website layouts. They define how content is structured across the page. Choose a column layout that fits your design. Once you insert it, Odoo immediately places the section on the page and highlights it with a blue border. Now, click directly on the new section. As soon as you do this, the editing options appear on the right-hand side panel. At the top, you'll see Items. Items control the overall layout of this section. Things like grid or column layout, content width, height, and visibility. Content width defines how wide the section appears on the screen. Height can be auto-adjusted or fixed depending on your design needs. Next, let's focus on the cards inside the columns. Click directly on one of the cards. Notice how the right-hand panel changes. This is important. You are no longer editing the section. You are now editing the card element itself. Card settings allow you to control the visual container that holds your content. Here, you can change the card background color, add borders, adjust border thickness, and round the corners. Rounded corners and subtle borders are commonly used to give a modern, clean look. You can also add or remove shadows. Shadows help cards stand out from the background, but they should be used carefully to avoid clutter. Next is the cover image setting. This controls how images behave inside the card. You can set the image ratio, such as landscape or square, and adjust alignment to control what part of the image stays visible. Now let's go one level deeper. Click directly on the image inside the card. Again, notice how the panel updates. Now you're editing the image element, not the card and not the section. Here, you can replace the image, set the image URL, or decide whether it opens in a new window. You can also define image metadata like alt text and tooltips, which is important for accessibility and SEO. Odoo allows you to control image format and quality. This helps optimize performance without sacrificing clarity. You can also adjust padding, alignment, styling, and animations for the image itself. The same logic applies to text. Click on the text inside the card. Text becomes editable directly on the page, while styling options appear on the right. This layered approach is key to understanding Odoo Website Builder. Sections control layout. Cards control containers. Inner content controls individual elements. Once you understand this structure, editing becomes intuitive. You can repeat this process across the entire page. Add more columns, duplicate cards, replace images, adjust spacing and visibility. Visibility settings are available at every level: section, card, and inner content, allowing you to control when and where elements appear. Before saving, scroll through the page and review spacing, alignment, and consistency. When everything looks right, click Save, and your changes go live instantly. You've now seen how columns, cards, and inner content elements work together in Odoo Website Builder. This is how most real Odoo websites are structured, not with single blocks, but with layered components that give you full control over layout and design. In the next videos in the katylinks.com Odoo training playlist, we'll continue breaking down inner content elements in detail, including buttons, images, text blocks, animations, forms, and visibility rules. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow the playlist. For more Odoo training, tutorials, and implementation support, visit https://www.katylinks.com.